Hi, so I am coming to you today with a review for the Smarter Fresh Diaper Cloth Sprayer slash Handheld Bidet Sprayer. I know it's a mouthful. Got around to installing it maybe a week or so ago. A couple weeks actually. So I bought it about 6 or 7 months ago, but because I am such a procrastinator, and anyone knows me know that I will put something off, especially if I feel it's going to take too much time and energy. Absolutely, I will pass that thing off and set it aside real quick. So I'm actually happy that I finally got around to installing it because I love this product. When I tell you that this is a game changer, I love it. Not only do I use it when I'm cleaning my little ones, the cloth diapers, I use it every day. Everyone is different. I personally love the idea of being able to clean more after going to the bathroom. So after you do number one, number two, number three, you might just had a little it might be that time of the month, your cycle is on, whatever the case may be. Being able to have something attached that's very convenient, that allows you to clean a little bit more down there or just give you that extra little bit of freshness, I'm all for it. With the cloth diapers, I love it because it gives me the option to do what I need to do, and it's fast, it's efficient, and as a mom, you need things that's going to be quick, fast, and a hurry. Bam, bam, thank you, ma'am. You don't need nothing that's going to make you, think too much about it. It's going to take too much time, and this thing does that. So you can use it for multiple reasons. I mainly use it for cleaning the cloth diapers and also just cleaning, after I myself use the bathroom. The installation of the product was very easy, like easy peasy. I literally installed it probably within, I want to say maybe 10-15 minutes, if that. And I was doing a video of recording myself installing it so that I can also post that. So I will post that as well. So it probably will take you less than that because you're not doing all of that. You're literally just unscrewing the hose that's there, attaching it, screwing on the sprayer, and you're good to go. Now, the instructions are inside the box. It's a one-page instruction sheet. It has instructions on the front and back. And then there's a little card inside as well that has like the warranty information. I do believe it's a 1-year warranty on the parts. But I will put that in the description, the details of the actual product itself. I got the stainless steel model. They do have like a chrome, and they may have a couple different options depending on the product that you purchase because they have so many different models. I actually stumbled across this product, a handheld sprayer, from one of the other mommies using cloth diapers. When I started my cloth diaper journey at the beginning of the year, I started doing a lot of research, and of course that means watching a lot of YouTube videos. And a couple of the moms were using a diaper sprayer. So I'm like, okay, what is that? Because I had never seen it before. I did some research. I went on Amazon, and lo and behold, they had a bunch of them. They have them at different price points, so you can get them probably as little as maybe $25-$30, and they go up to maybe $100 plus. I forgot exactly why I chose this one, but I do believe it was, one, because of the price, and then two, the reviews. There were so many different reviews on all of the different products, and they were all like good and bad. They were mixed. So I had to kind of, with that, you have to kind of take it with a grain of salt. You have to do your own research and decide which one is best for you. I went with this one, the Smarter Fresh model. I will put the descriptions in the comment. I will put the descriptions below so that you have the details. I paid $40, so a little bit under $40. I paid $39 for this. So it is affordable enough that you can have a sprayer in each bathroom if you chose to. I personally will. Okay, that is on my to-do list. I have not done it yet because we're about to take a trip, and I'm already running around here with my head cut off because I got 101 things to do. So it's not really up on my priority list because I have my one in my main bathroom, and that's what's important, okay? The guest bathroom can wait. So I do like the product. A couple things that I will point on. One, there is a lever that you have to pull up or push down to turn the unit off. It also controls the pressure, the amount of pressure that comes out of the sprayer when you're using it. So when you are using it, one, the company Smarter Fresh, they do recommend that you turn it off after each use. Now, personally, when I read that, I was like, who in their right mind, who is going to have the time and energy to turn this thing off every time I remember? Now, it's not hard. It's something easy to do because the lever is sitting right there next to you. But, you know, you barely can get enough time to use the bathroom without the kids in here doing something, bothering you, bombarding you. So you might not remember to cut the unit off after each time. I personally have not been turning off after each time. Maybe every other time or every few times. I know that I'm going to be in the bathroom in and out throughout the day. So it's not a big deal for me. But if I leave the house, I'll make sure it's off. Or if I'm going out of town or something, I'll make sure it's off. I would not just leave it on for days at a time or what have you. But everyone is different. Of course, you got to make your own decisions, what works best for you. The other thing I would say, because that lever controls the amount of pressure of the water that comes out, when you're using it for the cloth diapers, of course, the highest setting or mid to high setting will work good in any setting using a cloth diaper. But when you are using it on yourself down below, you have to make sure that you do not pull that lever too far up. You want to make sure you adjust it according to your liking, but don't do what I did and basically use it, turn the lever, pull the lever up, not thinking, okay, well, the pressure, and almost have a heart attack on the toilet because the pressure was too high. And another thing that I'm going to recommend or suggest, do not hold the sprayer and spray it directly to your body. Make sure you hold it at like an angle. So make sure that you're, tilting it a little bit so that you don't feel any discomfort. I'm not going to say discomfort because it wasn't painful, but it is sensitive down there. So, if you have a high stream of water coming directly at your regional, your nether regions down there, of course, you're going to don't be like me and almost jump off the toilet, okay? It was so funny. I was sitting here laughing so hard at myself. But those are basically the main points that I would touch on. Mainly, make sure that you turn the lever off as often as you can. I wouldn't suggest leaving it on because they do recommend, or they do mention that it will eventually wear out the components inside the unit itself eventually. So the product may start malfunctioning after a certain time. Mine has not. It doesn't leak. I don't have any problems with it, so I'm good to go. But that is one of the warnings that they do provide, which is good because they're telling you up front, okay, look, this thing is not made to just be on all day, every day. Now, they may have some that do, but I have not found any. I haven't even looked to see if any. So if you do find any, let me know. If you are interested and you want to try it and you want to try it out for you and your home and your family, I will leave the link below. I guess I will see you next time. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you later. Ciao.